Let's take a look at how to make keto Atta at home. With keto-friendly ingredients to reap benefits like weight loss and management of diabetes. Ingredients are 1 cup almonds, ½ cup pumpkin seeds, 1/4 cup linseed flaxseed, 1/4 cup chia seeds, 1/4 cup psyllium husk powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt optional. In a blender or food processor, grind the almonds, pumpkin seeds, linseed, and chia seeds together until they form a fine powder-like consistency. Be careful not to over-process, as this can release oils and turn the mixture into a paste. Transfer the ground mixture to a mixing bowl, and add psyllium husk powder and salt. If desired, mix well. Slowly add warm water to the mixture. While kneading with your hands, begin with 1/4 cup of warm water and gradually add more as needed. The dough should come together easily, but it should not be too dry or sticky. Once the dough is well formed, cover it with a damp cloth and let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes. This resting period allows the psyllium husk powder to absorb moisture and bind the dough. After resting, divide the dough into small portions and shape them into balls. Place a ball of dough between two sheets of parchment paper or on a clean surface dusted with almond flour. Use a rolling pin to roll out the dough into a round, thin circle, similar to a chapati or roti. Make keto rotis and enjoy with keto-friendly curries, stir-fried vegetables, or used as a wrap for various fillings. Say goodbye to wheat flour and embrace keto Atta, and savor the benefits it brings to your health and well-being.